Sleep wasn't always for rest, it was a doorway to the gods. Tonight, I will teach you a spell to ask them a question. It is simple, powerful, and older than most religions. Dream divination, called Onieromancy, was a core part of medieval magic. Entire books of traditional magic, such as the Picatrix, are devoted to the power of dreams. And yes, it works. Philosophers, kings, and magicians all practice this art for insights, prophecy, and answers. You will learn how to do it tonight. No rhyming or expensive tools required. But first, the timing. Try to stick to the following timing guide, lest you have horrible nightmares during a Mars hour. Best moon phase. Best planetary hour. Best day of the week. This ritual is for one thing only, asking one clear question to receive an answer while you sleep.
And if your question is, how do I get my toxic ex to love me, the gods will smite your pillow.
It can be about your current path, an important decision, or a hidden truth. But be warned, the answer may not come through words. You may dream of a symbol, an image, or feel something that is hard to explain. You will need to interpret. For that, turn to the Onierocritica, an ancient book of dream interpretation by Artemidorus. It is full of centuries of symbols and their meanings. Let's begin. To begin, you will need a few things. A white cloth, a small bowl of clean water, a sprig of bay leaf, a candle, and one question written plainly on a piece of paper or parchment. Before bed, wash your hands and your face. Then, approach your altar in silence. Light the candle and place the white cloth down. Set the bowl of water in the center of the cloth. Carefully burn the bay leaf and hold your written question above the smoke, being careful not to light the paper on fire. Then, say the following invocation. I seek a true dream. Let no false vision come. May the powers of your chosen planet and the waning moon open the gate of truth. Now, place the piece of paper beneath the bowl and silently repeat your question into the reflection until you feel still. Blow out the candle and then go to bed immediately. If the spirits answer, the answer may come as an image, a symbol, or a sudden knowing. Write down what you saw the moment you wake up. Clarity will come over the next few days. Do not ask frivolous things. The ancient systems were not for gossip, nor to make you rich. They were for wisdom. Also, never perform the spell during a waxing moon or while intoxicated. The line between dream and deception is thin.
If you perform this while drunk, the only thing you will summon is a hangover.
Dream magic is not about controlling the unseen. It is about being still enough to hear it. And if you dream of golden stairs, whispering voices, or a goat playing chess with your father, then welcome to the tradition. You are doing it right. If you cast this spell and something strange happens, write it below in the comments. I want to know. Unless, of course, it is profound and personal, then don't share it with anybody. And if you want more real magic, the kind that does not cost money and doesn't speak in rhymes, subscribe!